Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Atos Intel, which is hiring for off-campus drive. This is off-campus drive for fresher candidates. Okay, so as they have mentioned that the currently working employees in the Atos company, they can refer you. Okay, if your any friend is working in the Atos company, then they can refer you. You can contact them directly. But for this, if anyone is referring you, or if you are directly applying for this off-campus drive, you need to do the registration and all the select or the whatever the selection process is. You need to go to you need to give the aptitude test, then if coding test available, then coding test, then technical interview, then HR interview. But if anyone is working in the Atos company, your friend, then you can take help from them. Okay, so candidate registration link, as this you can see, this is an image, so you can't copy or you can't click on this link. So I have clicked on I have taken this link in the next page. I will provide this link in the description box below. Okay, so job location is 4 job locations: Pune, Mumbai, Chennai. Okay, then and this one as well. Then this is for fresher candidates, fresher graduated in 2020 batch, fresher graduated in 2021 batch. The grade is GCM1, which is for campus hire. And eligibility criteria, we will check 2020 full-time graduates only from recognized universities. Okay, you should be 2020 pass out. B BTech CSIT, then MCA computer application. Aggregate percentage minimum 60% and above all semesters. Okay, from SSC till highest qualification, from 10th standard till your graduation including all semesters, you should have 60% minimum. Backlog, no current or active backlogs. Education break up to 1 year from SSC to highest qualification. Applicable only for 2020 graduates. This off-campus drive from Atos Intel is only for 2020 batch. Okay, so now you can't copy this link, so I have directly taken this link here. You need to apply for Atos Intel off-campus drive from this link. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to register here. First click here. Okay, now it open Atos Intel candidate registration form. Okay, so before this, you can directly check the eligibility criteria for this. I'll just download it. Okay, so that and I will open it. Okay, so eligibility criteria, you can check 2020 full-time graduates only from recognized universities. Courses and stream: B BTech computer science information technology and MCA in computer application. Aggregate percentage minimum 60% in SSC 10th 12th and graduation. Post graduation all semester. Post graduation candidates can also apply. Backlog, no current backlog. Education break, maximum 1 year break in education is allowed from 10th to highest qualification. Drive location Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Then prerequisite: good written and verbal English skills. Flexible to work in any shift, morning, afternoon, night shift as well. Job location Pune, Mumbai, Chennai. You can check here. Atos Intel reserve the right of allocation. Okay, so this one is the job description. I will provide this link as well in the description box. Okay, then now we will check. I have read the eligibility criteria. Tick here, then click on I accept. Accept. Registration link is open only for those who fulfill Atos Intel eligibility criteria. Click on accept. Okay, read the following instruction carefully. Now they have given the instruction here. Okay, I'll just open. Okay, this instruction is for candidate registration form. Okay, Aadhaar number, enter your 12-digit Aadhaar number, prefix. All this is asked in the next page. Okay, once you will tick here, click on next. Okay, here while filling this form, candidate registration form. This is not like registration on this Atos Central site. This is directly you are applying from here. Here Aadhaar number you need to enter 12 digits. If you are not getting what you should enter, suppose here or here, then you can check here that for Aadhaar number field, enter your 12 digit Aadhaar number. Prefix, select from drop down box from prefix. You can select appropriately. Okay, then first name, it should be alphabetic, middle name alphabetic, last name alphabetic. Okay, so then mobile number, only 10 digit numeric value should be entered. Mobile number, secondary mobile number, 10 digit. Then your select gender, your mail ID. Okay, then everything is given here. Then unique government ID, select the ID proof from the drop down list. We will check one by one. Aadhaar number, PAN details, select your prefix, then first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, your father first name, mother first name, your mobile number, then your again secondary mobile number. Okay, then first you need to re-enter the first mobile number here, then secondary mobile number, then your gender, your mail ID. Please validate your mail ID. Okay, so when you enter your mail ID here, again you need to enter your mail ID again here, and then click on verify. You will get the OTP on your mail ID to check whether your mail ID is correct or not. If not, then refresh the page again and fill the form again, and or enter your correct mail ID. Marital status, then mother tongue, then your current address. Give all these details in detail. City, state, then your pin code, again city, state, pin code. Okay, then click on next. Okay, let me check. I think it is asking me to fill the form, but yeah, again it will ask some details to you. Please all the form carefully and apply for this position. Okay, this is a very good opportunity for 2020 batch candidates. Okay, so do apply for this position. I will provide these links, this one, in the description box below. Okay, so please apply, and I wish you all the best. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and share this video with your friends as well. Thank you.